Today I'm going to be reviewing this heated vest by ORORO. I'm super excited about this going into the cooler weather season, and I love football and it's almost football season, and when it gets cooler it's great to be outdoors, but then it gets too cold. And I've heard a lot about these amazing heated apparel like vests and jackets. There's a user manual, the rechargeable lithium battery charger, and here is the vest. And then there are pockets in the vest. Here is the pocket where the battery goes. So you just unzip this and the battery sits inside here, and you just plug that in into the battery. So now I have the vest on. I like how long it is. It's very lightweight too. It doesn't feel heavy like I have, a bunch of things on, but it feels thick enough that it'll keep me warm. So then to turn it on, when you want it on, you hold the button for 3 seconds, and as you'll see, the light comes on and it's blinking, which tells you that now the vest is heating up. Also, there are 3 different heat settings. So this is red, you just press it once it's on. There's white, and then there's blue. So there's high, medium, and low, so you can change the different heat settings based on how cold you are. Here's the vest under my coat. As you can see, I like that it fits really well underneath as another layer, which is really great. Super easy to zip up as well to keep you warm, and it's fleece, and then this goes over top of it. And you can't see it under my coat either. It's not that bulky, which I like that as well.